Okay, so we're way up here. We're kind of where a bunch of universities are at. It used to be the University of Macau, and now it's like IFT, City University, all kinds of cool stuff now. And it's all over here. Up in these buildings up here, kind of up on a mountainside as well, as you can guess. Okay, so let's show you a little bit around. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are. We're overlooking some apartments here. It's kind of cool because they got this kind of rock face thing. So it goes down quite a bit, as you can see. Bridges right there, Taipa to Macau. That bridge way over the distance is the one that goes to Hong Kong. That's Macau proper over on that side. Got some apartment buildings right here. I think what we're gonna do is just kind of walk down a little bit, and then you can see some of the apartments, the universities, they go up this way. And there's a few different universities. They used to be University of Macau, and then they kind of combined them into a few of them. Basically what happened, University of Macau moved over to a place called Hengqin Island on the other side of Taipa. And a bunch of several other universities moved into the space. So now they're up there in those buildings. They kind of go back a little ways as well. Probably should film one of those. But I kind of prefer it when there's more students around. It's kind of cool. You got some kind of cool buildings like this little yellow colonial looking building. Those are on the waterfront. Should try to film down there sometime too. Yeah, this is today it's been raining a lot. Yesterday was a Typhoon 1 in Hong Kong, and I think it was the same here, and then I might have went to Typhoon 3, but whatever it was just kind of windy and pretty mild. Yeah, you're getting a pretty good view of Taipa now. That little mountain over there is Taipa Pequeño. I believe it's, yeah, Taipa Pequeño, yeah. And then Taipa Grande would be on the other side of us. And right now we're looking into the university. There's El Tira Hotel up there. So you can see. Yeah, I think the lights are gonna come on in a minute. Some of them are just starting to come on now. It's about that time, it's about 6:30 p.m. Oh, that looks cool. This building right here says chill with, which implies that it was probably once a bar. Chill with. It has like this big patio, right? Huh, it's too bad it's not still around. Looks like it might have been a really cool space. Yeah, that one right there. Okay. So I think this one's gonna say City University as we go down the hill a little bit. Might even walk into this a little bit. There's a street sign down there. So I definitely will try to capture that. The system. Go on in. So when you enter into this university, there's a lot of up and down, a lot of stairs. I think that one, I think we'll just walk straight down that way. Hello. So we'll just go down. There's City University of Macau right there. So we're gonna walk. This is the main administrative building. That looks pretty. City University of Macau. So I think what we'll do is just walk. Take a giant step. And now we have the City University of Macau. That looks pretty cool. Huh. Actually, that's not a bad thumbnail. It's well lit up. City U. Got this view like that. Looks pretty cool. It's some apartment buildings, a theater hotel. Avenida Padre Thomas Pereira is the name of the street. You can see it on that little sign right there. And see, this one says there's different universities here. So there's City U, then in the back there's IFT. It's like the only way to come off the steps is to come back the same way. It's like there's some things that are blocked. This is no entry. Right now it's holiday, so it's summer is out. Summer's here for students. Plus it's COVID era as well, so everything's a little bit messed up. And so yeah, I think this one. So this one is blocked up, and there's a gate right there, so we can't go up that way. So I guess what we'll do, I think we could go down that way and go all the way down, but I want to capture that street sign, and I also want to get it from this view here. And now we're gonna go back up this way. So I think what we'll do is, let's see if we can get across. See this kind of parking lot stuff. Here we go, got a giant sidewalk. And I think what I'm gonna do is, that's kind of cool. There's like a little space in there. It's like recently used, there's lots of stuff. So anyways, that's City U right there. So I guess so you have a pretty good view of it. City University of Macau right there. So let's end it right in that spot. Chiquinha.